Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is ATREUS from JamToursAfrica.com family, VeganChoiceFoods.com, Expat Realty.com, the vegan Jamaican over there in Lavington, Nairobi family. And in this video, guys, I'm actually gonna take you. I'm actually in Brookside family. Brookside. As I said, guys, I want to show you this development called Atrius. You know what I mean? They called me and said, Jam Tours, you need to come and look at this. They said the showroom ready. And I love Brookside family, so I said, let me go and look at it. I'm only going to show you what I love family. What I love from the bottom of my heart. And what I'm raising money for to buy. That's what I'm showing your family. I'm not in this because I am like some real estate agent and I'm trying to make a commission and all of these things. I'm not in it for that family. I'm in it because me like the project too, and if me have the money, I buy it, and I hunt for the money, family. I hunt for the mony this year, and I have to own, no matter, even if I the cheapest, I have to own something in the project in my love family. You know what I mean? So if you guys understand and know what I go on, you know see what I go on. So yo, me must do this because me want to see two. You know what I mean? Me want to buy one too. So that's the reason why I'm showing it. I just show it to your family so you have an understanding. Now when I'm saying Nairobi real estate market, I got tank and all kind of thing. Then I understand, you know what I mean? Because there's no apartment which is the same in the same location. It's different. You know what I mean? It all depends on what you want, family. You know what I mean? So we are showing you what I go on at Atrius. They say them show house ready. So them have them billboard up there, so Atrius. So let's go and check it out, family. See there? Big show house ready. See there? There's a show house ready. Right pan the main. You know what I mean? You can't, buy in vain. Right pan the main, family. You have Gemini 1, Gemini 2. You have another one here, so. You have a complex over here, so family. If you want to put a restaurant or you want to put a business. Over here, so there's a spot to family. I was looking at it. For anybody who want to partner up with me on a restaurant, they have commercial space over here, so we can put something there if you want. See there? A whole apartment that built up around the cut. So you have to know what you want if you're coming to Nairobi family. You know what I mean? Atrius, we're there right now. Atrius, let me go and check it out. You have Gemini 1 and Gemini 2, yes, the same way. So you can't lose, family. You can't lose. Anyway you take it, you can't lose. You get a commercial space, have a little restaurant, a little cafe. You can't lose. You know what I mean? So let me go, family, and check this out and show you guys what I go on at Atrius. Yeah, family, so we're gonna look at the show house. As you can see, this is what around Gemini 1, Gemini 2. There's another one. This I don't know which one is this one. So let's go. Show house ready? Yes. Alright, so let's see the model unit first. Steven. Oh, go on. You work here, so now? Let me see the model unit first, my brother. Which one is the model unit? This is the model unit. Okay, this is the one here. Oh, so this is the past project you guys doing. You are the one doing this one too? Yes. This one? Oh, Sky Valley. Which this one is where? After road. Okay, and this one? This one is Westlands. It's finished already? No. Ongoing? Progress, yes. And then this is the recent one in Riverside? Yes. Okay. Okay, this one, okay. So this one is here, we're standing in right now. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. So what can you tell me about this project?
So here, we do 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom.
Okay.
And the latest unit is 3 bedroom and DSQ, 169. We have 5 types of 2 bedroom and 1 bedroom standard. We are remaining with 1 unit.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so this side, this is the Wayeki way. This is the school side. Looks like good.
Hello.
Looks like good.
You're good? Yeah, man, I'm good. I'm just here to check out this new project. It's my first time actually learning about. I always see this billboard and stuff. So these are developer doing all of these?
Yes.
Ah, okay, nice.
Yeah.
Actually,
it's easier to film, but then I'm also on my way out.
Oh, okay. No, yeah. All right, cool. So you work here? Okay. You want to explain to me? I want to see this first and then go to the show house. So I want to just tell me a little bit about it. You know, I like it. I like the location. I like because it's Brookside. You know what I mean? It's very nice. So tell me about it. Yeah.
It's the ATREUS Brookside. The completion year is July next year. So
July next year.
July next
Okay, cool.
year. We located Brookside Belief. So our location, this is the Brookside Belief. We have also shopping mall.
Oh yeah. On the other side. Yeah.
On this side, we actually the main road.
Oh, the main or Wacky way. Okay.
This side, we facing properties and
Five-story. Okay.
Our amenities, most of them are on rooftop.
Okay, rooftop amenities. Okay, nice.
So we have
Uh huh.
we have game room. We have a pool. The pool has a kids area. We have a lounge. This side we have a car area.
Oh wow.
And this side we have a garden.
Garden. Okay,
And
nice.
the ground also we have a
Cafe. Oh, nice. So you say no, we have what? One bed.
we have a one bedroom.
One
two
bedroom?
and 3 bedrooms.
Okay, it's cool. What's the size of the one bedroom?
One bedroom we have 65 square meters.
Going for how much?
8.2.
8.2. And then two bedroom.
The 2 bedrooms we have 5 types.
5 types. Okay.
We have a 2 bedroom standard.
Uh-huh.
Then it's going to here. We have a 2 bedroom standard.
Uh-huh.
And 2 bedroom with a study room.
Uh-huh.
So we have 2 bedroom plus.
Uh-huh.
So this one and this one, the different is the size, and also this one, the old beds has a balcony.
Okay, nice.
This one, the master bedroom has a balcony.
Okay, nice.
We have a 2 bedroom study,
Uh-huh.
and we have also 2 bedroom with a DSQ.
Okay, perfect.
The DSQ and the study different is the DSQ has it's a mentioned here. This is the one with the DSQ, and this is the one with the study.
Ah,
So the
study, okay.
is here.
Studies, okay.
Yeah, and the DSQ is here. So you can connect here and then here.
Ah,
and also
outside. Ah, so you can, it has its own everything.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. This is a good layout. I like this one.
Yeah,
This one is how much?
This one, let me. The first
The showroom is ready. Is which one?
This one.
Let's go and look at it. And then this is a 3 bedroom, right?
Yeah.
What's the price for the 3 bedroom?
We don't have showers.
Don't show me this one. What's the price?
Around 23. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So this is a 3 bedroom family. Very spacious. Very nice.
Also very big.
Very big.
You can go and see.
Yeah, let's go and see. Let's go. All right, family. So we are in the showroom. This is the DSQ here. Okay, so you're coming from here, and then you can
Lounge area.
lounge here. Okay. And you come all the way
Then
in.
we have
Ah, okay. This is the area here. Okay, nice. Wow.
guest bedroom.
Wow, guest bedroom, big so. Whoa! You see the window, floor to ceiling window family, so you can see outside. Nice. And then this is the guest bathroom. Okay, nice. Wow. Shower. Okay, nice.
And this is the master bedroom.
Master bedroom.
It's
In suite. Oh wow, I like the fittings and the, you know what I mean, it's good finish. It's also a balcony. Okay, nice. Yeah, family. This is you want. This is you want get. This is you want. Okay, nice. It's 2 bedroom. It's the kitchen. As you can see, it's the kitchen and stuff. Wow. And then you have a studio here, right here, by itself, with DSQ. Okay. So it's stop here. You can close it off here. Close it here. Then you have your bed. Then you have this can be like a room so somebody can even rent out if you want.
yeah, it can be office.
A nice little office. Nice little man cave for jam tours this. Yeah. Yeah, family. So this is ATREUS, and actually, I love the project already. I like how inside is warm. We say the 3-bedroom is where? The 3-bedroom. Let's look at the 3-bedroom. Oh, they're setting up there. So this is a DSQ. Wow. Oh, this is a DSQ. You enter from here. Wow. Okay, nice. And then now this now is the washing now go on. I must have the 3-bedroom. You have the kitchen from here. You can enter here. And it's come fitted with all of these things inside. Double sink, wash here and here, right? Oh, the mall. Okay, this is the mall, right, family? With a shopping complex, right? That's all. I was telling you guys that if you want to put up a Jamaican restaurant, we're ready and open for the contract. We need to come in with the investment and we match it up. Alright, but as you guys can see, this is a 3-bedroom, ATREUS, you know what I mean, big and spacious. This is the first room.
One of the guest bedrooms.
Guest bedroom, wow, it's all in suite. All in suite. Wow, I like what they like this, very nice, door good. This is another room. So it's a Jack and Jill, right? The chair, you don't share it.
All of them is
all in suite family. This is perfect for investment. This one has a balcony. Wow, this is the master. The balcony go all the way around. Wow. Wow, guys. Wow. Nairobi. If you know buy something in Nairobi, you hold me. And as you come back right, you go all the way to the living room. As you can see. Sorry, madam, for mashing up your business. Inside here is where? Common toilet here. Okay, nice. Wow.
And then we have a flat bedroom.
Then you have a bedroom here. All in suite. Okay, the last bedroom. Wow, this is so big. Big and spacious. Wow. Wow, family. All I can say, this is one of the project I like the location is the best and the finishing. You know what I mean? It's a very good project, family. As I can telling you, that the advanced Chinese developers, they're coming in and they're building family. You know what I mean? So you must know what you do now. All we can do is show you what is happening.
2-bedroom.
This is a 2-bedroom. The one without the DSQ. This one don't have the DSQ, right? Okay. It's master bedroom, okay. There's a balcony. Okay, nice. The balcony go all the way around, family. Yeah. Yeah, family. So, ATREUS. Yeah. So, yeah, man. She has shown me everything. This one is the 1-bedroom. Okay, 1-bedroom. 8.8, 1-bedroom. Very spacious, very big. This is where?
This is the toilet. It's closed.
Oh, and this is a
Laundry area.
oh, washing area. Okay, and this is your bedroom. Okay. Then this is your balcony, family. 1-bedroom. ATREUS, can't lose. Can't lose. A win. This is where the kitchen gonna be and stuff. Yeah, families, you know what to do now. You know what to do next. Link up with Jam Tours, take a tour and book. Yeah, family, I drive out at ATREUS right now. I just want to show you guys the location because me love it, so I hope you guys love it too. So you see you come from Brookside and over there so you have the expressway, family. It seems like there's an accident happen or something. What happened? Nothing happened. Really in Nairobi you see accident, family. Rarely you see accident in Nairobi. You know what I mean? But I guess maybe there's something will go on there, so any of them block off the road. Oh, it looks like there's an accident happened. Maybe I'm going to even forget past. I'm supposed to just turn back. So people are turn back. Well, let me see if we can go up the family. Up the way I go. Up there, a little accident happened, so I don't know what go on. Oh, this accident happened, family. But really, you see accident in Kenya. Really. But, you know what I mean? It's a one-hour situation. Yeah, I gotta have them situation happen. You know what happened. You know what I mean? But anyway, guys, I just see you go so boom on the expressway, that you jump on the expressway. Just so, and in the heart of Westlands, the family. In the greener side of Westlands. So, ATREUS is a win for me. And you know what I mean? The developer is has 3-4 projects that they do right now, same way. And you can see the finishing, you see everything. So, if you're looking for something, we're going to finish next year. You know what I mean? ATREUS is a good pick if you want something like in the city, if you want a little bit out of the city in the green area, then ATREUS is a pick, is a win, family. ATREUS is a win. ATREUS is a win. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. One love, God bless, Jamaica, Jam Tours and Kenya. We out. You know what I mean? I hope you guys feel the vibes and hear the vibes and see the vibes. Coming at the vibes, family. And wait till it, you know what I mean, saturated. And I wait till the rich and the wealthy start buy up. Just buy up now, family. Buy up where you can buy up. Because, you know what I mean, coming 2030, Kenya will be the hotspot for everything that is happening globally around the world. And you want to be in this, have something in the city and make money for you. And when you're ready to come home, the transition is so easy like cheesy because you already build a foundation. You just pack up yourself and I see you want to run, relocate. You want to run a Kenya and you know set a foundation. Set the foundation first so when you come, you know so you're solid as a rock and nobody can get you down. You know what I mean? Yeah. So that's the thing said, family. Kenya we there where everything nice in Nairobi and I show me if you show you. As a Jamaican there for the past 5 years. I live it and I do it. You know what I mean? So I build where I build. And if you want to be a part of the building foundation, the door is always open. Come and join the family. You know what I mean? I look for investor right now. Open up business, open up anything you want. Any idea you have, you can put it to life. You know what I mean? This is the year, you know what I mean, of Aquarius. And this is the year of authenticity. A lot of people say, Jam Tours is so authentic. It's like I love your vibe because it's just real and true. But that's all the things said, family. Anything we are fake right now, you know what I mean? Anybody that tell lie, anybody that do all of that stuff right now, have to come out in the open because Aquarius time, family. And I'm an Aquarius, and if you don't understand, the closer you get to an Aquarius, and the safer you is in this life right now. Because up until 2044, you know what I mean? When I ask Jam Tours if I lucky me lucky, what is happening? But on the luck, family, the universe just in your favor, and if you understand that it's in your favor, it's like you're actually just create. You just do things and you just fall in your lap. You don't have to actually work too hard. You have to work smart. You know what I mean? Yeah. So one love, God bless, Jamaica, Kenya. I'm out.